Coming up next is the tip of the week. Stay tuned for tips, tricks and more about Android.
And we close this week with a tip of the week. And John Dyer shows you how to install the Google Assistant on a Galaxy Watch.
Hi, John here, and today I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way that I know of to get Google Assistant up and running on your Samsung Watch. And ironically enough, that is by using Bixby. So I already have my watch here set up, connected to my phone. Press and hold the home key. Download Google Assistant.
Assistant. Google Assistant.
And that brings up this, and I'm going to swipe to
Get started.
Get started and double tap it.
Continue on your phone.
Google. Just a sec. Heading. Set up Google Assistant. Heading.
And then this just popped up on my phone.
Use your voice to send text, manage your day, and get quick answers on your watch. Send messages, get quick answers and updates. Manage your... You can turn off Assistant anytime in your settings. No thanks button. Set up button.
Set up.
Just a sec. Heading.
Assistant.
Just a sec.
Hi.
Voice match enrollment. Access your assistant with Hey Google. Heading.
Now I'm going to find...
Assistant may activate when you didn't intend it to, for instance, when there is a noise that sounds like Hey Google. Skip button.
I'm going to hit skip because I don't want it to be activated with the wake word.
Google. Talk to your assistant with a button. Heading. Get right to your assistant from your watch's home key. Set this up in your watch's settings or in the Galaxy Wear app on your phone. Web fragment. Next button.
I'm going to hit next.
Your assistant is set up. Heading.
My assistant is set up.
Try saying things like, OK button.
I'm just going to hit OK at the bottom right.
Google search button.
And you're done. Now, if you want to assign it to a button, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm just going to open Galaxy Wearables. Open Galaxy Wearables.
Untitled. Home. SmartThings. SmartThings is running. Galaxy Watch.
Then I'm going to find
Watch settings, notifications, display, health, wallet.
Watch settings.
Watch settings. Navigate up button.
Gonna go down to advanced.
Advanced features, home button, gestures. Advanced features. Navigate up button.
And
advanced features. Search button. Disconnection alerts, none. Get alerts when your watch loses its Bluetooth, home button.
Under the home button heading,
double press, go to most recent app.
You can change.
Press and hold, Bixby.
Press and hold from Bixby to Google Assistant if you want to, but I want to leave that as Bixby and change.
Double press, go to most recent app.
Change double press
double
to
press.
Google Assistant.
Navigate up button. Double press. Features. Go to most recent app. Accessibility shortcuts. My exercises. Apps. Alarm. Assistant. Not selected.
So I'm just going to select Assistant.
Advanced features. Navigate up button.
I'm going to close my phone.
Screen off.
So you could do that. You can set that setting from either on the phone or on the watch. I just did it on the phone. Now I'm going to turn on my watch screen.
2:33 p.m.
And just double press. What's the weather?
Right now in Chesapeake, it's 80 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be mostly sunny, with a forecasted high of 80 and a low of 66.
So as you can see, just like that, Google Assistant is up and running. I hope that's been helpful to you.
I think the main comment to make about this is that you actually have to install Google Assistant on a Galaxy Watch. Like, why isn't it on it anyway? Don't you think, Warren?
Samsung is being stupid. Like I said, they're the big boys in the room and they do whatever they feel like doing. I thought that, after the Galaxy Watch 4 and it didn't come with it, took it like almost a year for Assistant to finally come to it. One would think that by now it should just come built in, but I'm surprised that even with the Galaxy Watch 6, one still has to go install it. That is absolute stupidity on the part of Samsung. Samsung, if you're hearing BAU, clean up, man.
And I mean, it's not very difficult though.
No, but still, it should be on it, shouldn't it?
Exactly.
Yeah. Like I look at it going, I keep Bixby on the watch.
only because there's certain features that it integrates with, like with Samsung Health and stuff like that. But if I could, I'd rather have Google, my default assistant, if only it would integrate with Samsung Health so it could actually start my workouts and stuff like that. So it's like, why do we have to have two different assistants on the same device to get the same stuff done? It just does not make any sense to me. Like,
it's a bit silly.
Keep it consistent. Like, put Google on, get rid of Bixby. Let's face it, everybody hates Bixby.
I don't mind Bixby routines. I use Bixby routines, but
yeah, I can get behind those. But
you see, Cam, the problem is Samsung is like, they feel like we're big players in Android and we want to have our own signature on. And this is why we still have this problem of, Samsung TalkBack versus Google TalkBack. By golly, Samsung just put accessibility stuff, just use the one from Google, especially the screen reader, and just call it good.
But like, it doesn't make any sense why we're in this position continuously when TalkBack with Google and TalkBack and Samsung are literally being made as a joint process. It doesn't make sense why TalkBack is now still completely separate versions with the two, basically with Google and Samsung, yet they're the same damn program. It doesn't make any sense. Why do we keep going back in this continuous circle?
Yeah, I mean, at least like, when we had Voice Assistant, you could just swap between them and go, okay, this is TalkBack from Google, and that's the other. You can't even swap between them now, which is really annoying.